In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in Skool. If you've ever shared something by mistake, posted in the wrong space, or simply want to clean up old content, removing a post in Skool is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can feel confident and avoid any surprises. Start by navigating to your post. That just means getting to the exact post you want to remove. You can open the community or space where you originally published it, scroll through your feed, or jump in from your profile or notifications if that's faster. The key is to land on the post itself so you're looking at the full card, not just a preview. Once you're on the post, look to the top right corner of that postcard. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the options menu for that specific post. On desktop, it might appear as you hover your mouse over the post. On mobile, it's visible near the top right edge. If you don't see it right away, take a second to make sure you're actually on your own post and not a pinned announcement or someone else's content, since options can differ. Click the 3 dots and a small menu will open. From that menu, select Delete. That's the command that removes the post from your community or space. You'll know it worked when the post disappears from the feed and from your profile's post list. If you are viewing it directly, you'll be taken back to the previous screen once it's gone. Before you remove anything, it's smart to double check that this is the post you truly want to delete. Deletion is intended to be final. If the text, images, or attached files are important, consider copying the content somewhere safe first so you don't lose it. Also keep in mind that if the post has active comments or valuable discussion, deleting it will remove that thread from view for everyone. If you don't see the delete option in the 3-dot menu, it usually means one of 2 things. You're not looking at a post you own, or your permissions in that space don't allow deletion. Make sure you're signed into the account that created the post and that you're in the correct group or classroom where it was published. And that's it. Navigate to your post, open the 3-dot menu, and choose delete. Simple, direct, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your school space tidy and up to date.